Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing 2011 Audi A4. This is 12.5 inches high definition screen. We also carry another version which is 10.25 inches. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the main feature of the system and how to use the system as well. Let's talk about the specification of the system first. Okay, this system comes with 12.5 high definition touchscreen. The resolution of the screen 1970 by 720, and it also comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. It means it also comes with octa-core chipset. It supports the 4G LTE level at the same time. What that means? It means if you have an extra SIM card, you can insert to the side of the screen. You can access to the internet anywhere without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot. That's the difference between the Qualcomm and the MTK. The Qualcomm is much more smoother and faster. Okay, let's start. This system also fully compatible with the original AMI interface. You can see that this is the original manual here. It will be fully compatible with all the manual right here. Under the original manual, you cannot use the touchscreen. You need to use this one to control the manual. Okay, this system does not come with any amplifier, so they will go through the original AMI AUX interface. That means it's gonna be in the global. In the package, you will include one of the cable right here. That way is the AUX cable. Okay, you do not need to connect anything over there, but the point is the cable come with the chipset. You will activate the computer of the Audi AMI interface. For example, once you connect the cable, you can see that on the interface it will show AUX external audio player. You need to select the external audio player in order to use the system. Okay, of course you can also listen to the radio and use the GPS at the same time, but there will be low sound from the unit. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You can also change the car to Audi A4 or any other car like Q5. Okay, so basically this system also supports the Wi-Fi hotspot. If you have data on the cell phone, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone, and then you can use most of the feature of the system. This package also comes with the tiny controller right here. You can see that this is the tiny controller. You can use the tiny controller to control the main screen. So basically you can also use this one to control the screen here. You can select any option here, so you do not need to touch the screen while you're driving. Okay, so this system will come with the newest version of the Google Map. This is the newest version of the Google Map right here. What that means by newest version, the newest version will provide with the offline feature. So when you click on that icon, you will see the offline map here. That means you can download the map to the unit. This unit comes with a 64 GB of the memory. So that means once you download the map data to the unit, you do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the Google Map. Okay, this one also supports the voice control. So basically click on this one, bring me to the gas station.
Shepherd Avenue East.
Okay, this system also comes with voice control and voice guidance as well. Okay, if you don't like the Google Map, the Google Map also supports the picture-in-picture. You can see that you can also minimize the picture of the Google Map right here. Okay, other than the Google Map, we also provide with the built-in offline navigation. It's gonna be like this. Okay, when you click on this one does not require any data. Okay, we will also provide you with the worldwide map. If you're in Europe, we will also include the European map as well. How to use the navigation? Just click on the bottom right corner here and then click on the new row. And I'm going to show you how to turn off the tow row. If you don't want the tow row to be part of the calculation of the system, okay, then you can just go to the setting right here and then rows preference. Okay, you can turn off the row with period charge. Okay, once you turn off this one, every time when the system calculates the rows, they will not count on the tow row. Okay, you will avoid the tow row in the calculation. Also, this system also come with the preload YouTube here. You can also watch the movie. Of course, you require the data. Okay, and it also come with the Netflix right here. Okay, this is the Netflix. Okay, you can, if you're the Netflix account, you can also watch the movie. You can see it's very fast, it's very smooth, it's not lagging at all. Okay, you can also download any movie to the USB. You can also play the video on the system. This system also comes the video in motion. Okay, so it's very important. Okay, the resolution is very high. Okay, pull down a little bit from the top, you can see the home button right here, then you will bring you back to the home button. Okay, the home menu. All right, so this one also comes with the Spotify, Waze, and also the Chrome. Okay, the internet browser. Okay, so in order to change the setting, I'm going to show you the setting right here. If your car comes with the original camera, then this system will be fully compatible with the original camera. Just go to setting and camera selection, and then you can go to the aftermarket camera or OEM camera. If your car comes with the OEM camera, then you need to select the OEM camera. if you install the aftermarket camera, then you can snap the aftermarket camera as well. This system also supports a 360-degree camera as well. Okay, this system is also fully compatible with original manual. All the features of the original one include the Bluetooth and car information system. Everything will be fully compatible. You can see that. Satellite radio is also fully compatible. Okay, so it's very important. Okay, click on the screen and then you can go back to the original manual. All right, this is very important. I'm gonna show you the quality of the backup camera. It also comes the guidance. Okay. This is called Active Guide 9, okay? So you will also turn the wheel based on the angle of the wheel, okay? It also supports the original backup sensor, okay? So I'm going to show you how to connect to the Apple CarPlay. You will need to require iPhone. Of course, this system also supports wireless Android Auto because this is the newest version. In order to connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay, you will bring out the cell phone, go to the Bluetooth, connect the Bluetooth device, GOC SDK, enter the password 000. Perfect. And then once you connect to the Bluetooth, then you will automatically pop up the screen right here. You will also need to grant authorization on the cell phone. You can see that. Use CarPlay. So as you can see, it's already connected to the Apple CarPlay, okay? So it's wireless, okay? So you do not need to connect to any wire, okay? So for example, you can play some music. You can also make the phone call, okay? You can also use the navigation right here. Okay, you can also read your own message, okay? You also support the WhatsApp here, some of the application right here. So if you want to go back to the main menu, then you can just go back, click on the car here, and then you will bring it to the main menu. It's very straightforward and very nice, okay? Oh, and also one more thing I would like to mention, this system also comes the newest version of the dashboard, okay? This one will also support the RPM and also the speed right here. You will also show the RPM and the speed right here. You can also change the color, depends on your personal preference, okay? That's very nice. This is only available on the newest version. Pull down a little bit and then you will go back to the home menu right here. You can also order the dash camera, the Wi-Fi version of the dash cam, and connect to this system, okay? It's also available on our website, and then once you connect to the dash cam, you can also watch the video clip from the screen. For example, DVR right here, you will see the video right here, okay? This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. We'll be more than happy to assist you, okay?